No.
I am Artur from Armenia, and we are on excavations here on a church place. The church has been taken out long ago. It's a medieval church, and we have our work here. We are cleaning this place, the place where has stood the church.
And what about the bones? Did you
We
find
have
something?
found in the pitch bones, medieval man bones, but we are not permitted to take it out. And we took a bone, a piece of bone, and we have found some cup pieces and a crook from the dress.
Okay, thank you, Artur,
And
for
I'm
this
gonna
interview.
take that crook to myself.
No.
No, that's a joke. Don't take it into your lungs, okay?
Okay.
And this forest is really good. The excavations are really good. I'm enjoying it greatly. Really. I'm in a forest paradise.
Thank you.